Respected and honorable members of LIS, Help LIS community, mission, and professional colleagues, and the members from the industries and publishing fraternity. Good afternoon, all of you. And I am Dr. A. Hariharan, founder, president of SALIS. Just like I would like to brief about SALIS. Actually, SALIS was established in the year 2002 as a registered national professional body with three important objectives. Actually, to reach the unreached. That means we can go to the various places where the professionals are there to conduct programs for the benefit of them. For that, we have opened more than 12 chapters. And another important mission is actually to bridge the digital divide among the LIS professional by conducting IT-related programs and other things, and also to give knowledge to the LIS professional to handle the information tools and technology effectively. So another important our societal program actually to create awareness about the importance of reading, that is to promote reading habit among the children and the students, so that we believe that by promoting this awareness, we can able to contribute a little for the creation of a knowledge society. These are all about SALIS. We have members all over India. And regarding the COVID, actually, it's really a tragedy actually that took place more than 2 years before. And last year, we did not witness any casualties or death from LIS professional at large actually. So what we thought actually, we set up a COVID relief camp, particularly the Nellore, more than a month, and started distributing food packets, groceries, and other needs in various regions in the Nellore city and other parts of Tamil Nadu also. And also to the migrant laborers, actually, we have contributed significantly to the migrant laborers, just like in a small way by giving food packets or the groceries and other things. As far as this COVID second wave, we just witnessed, there are many casualties or death from the LIS professional side all over India, and also many are now in hospitals and taking treatment and other thing. So, even Sally said, we also set up a similar COVID support portal, and we are providing information services because some people require moral support. You know that there are scarcity about the hospital beds, availability of oxygen, so many things. So we have set up a help group in almost all the cities, and if any LIS professional, if they want to know about the various hospital, because immediately if they go and join in a hospital, a private hospital, they have to pay at least 10 lakhs rupees. So instead, we will help them to find out a good government office hospital where these facilities are available. So this kind of service is doing. So during this time only, Dr. Akhtar, our friend, actually is discussed with the idea of forming this Help LIS mission to our president, Dr. Ilavalakan. And immediately we discussed and immediately we agreed, because it is a very noble cause. It is need for this hour, and it is a moral responsibility of all the LIS professionals in the country to contribute at least to our LIS professionals who are in distress. Actually, already many people pointed out that LIS professionals almost they are getting low salary or lost job and that and that thing. Whatever we could do, we can definitely will do it actually. So now my sincere appeal to the all LIS professional, particularly those who are working in a government institution, aided institution, industries, and also in the universities, because they will be having good salary also, I believe, so that as Dr. Satyanarayana and others pointed out, at least they can contribute at least minimum 1,000 rupees. That will really a big help actually. Little drops of water make the mighty ocean. Even your 1,000 rupees definitely will help us in this mission. So I also joined with others. Definitely, I assure that we will provide all the possible support along with our other professional colleagues and associates in the country. Thank you for this opportunity. Let us take a vote or let us join together to help for this noble cause. Thank you.